we are getting further and further removed from agriculture. Just as probably 100, 150 years ago, 90% of the people that lived in the United States had a direct access to farming or lived on a farm themselves. Today, that's 2%.
Farming practices have changed in agriculture and especially within the pork industry immensely. From the 1960s, we're producing twice as many pigs than we ever have, with 80% less land and 40% less water. We have had to become more efficient, and those opportunities and those demands are even more growing.
Compared to 25 years ago, you're going to see a much safer, much healthier animal. Not only because of technology that we're using, but also through custom nutrition work and HACCP programs that we have.
When people think of farming, most of them think small red barn, it's a ma and pa shop, a couple pigs, a couple cows. We can't feed the world that way anymore. We need to use the resources that we have and try and use them the best way that we can.
Over the years, we have brought pigs inside to protect them from the elements, from animals, from predators, and to give them a nice, comfortable, air-conditioned, heated environment in which they survive.
We want to create healthy food sources because this is the food that we eat too, food that our families eat, that we're feeding to everyone. When it comes to words like organic, natural, grass-fed, a lot of that is just marketing buzz, what the consumer wants to hear, but they don't realize that it's just a word put on there, and actually some of those words have no actual definition by the FDA.
We do not use antibiotics on a regular basis. If an animal is sick, if it has a fever, if it's lame, we use antibiotics the same as if you would give to your own child.
And any meat or dairy product, it's specifically tested by the Food and Drug Administration that it doesn't have any antibiotic residue.
We do the best we can every day to protect not only our employees but also the animals themselves. We work with veterinarians. They come into the units monthly to make sure that we are doing exactly what we're supposed to. We're one of the most regulated industries in the world. We're up for the challenge. It's exciting. There's no place better in the world to produce pork than right here.